Ka jingile kai Rahnar ka balapan long han Nongpoh da ka Bhoi weightlifting association ha ka jingitri lang bat ka Meghalaya weightlifting association mentak sngi lapun Kutnoh ye kene Lympung Rahnar da ka jingwan saki jong Riewpawkhmat ka jela ki bakenthop nadu Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ubri MP Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary constituency uba John F Kharsing ubri president jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba MB Tongper uba Donald Rambai ubri president jong ka Meghalaya weightlifting association uba Anthony Karnior ubri president jong Bhoi weightlifting association lempat kiwe kum gejing ai man simi ki nong bynta ki balala banile kai bha la ai da ki kusnam kat kum gejing la jong ki ban bat ye ki kedan nam job bat kat kum ka kategori ka baki ele kai
Ready, one, two, three. Come on. Ready.
And people like Robert, I'm sure there's a lot of hope for the future of our young athlete, young weightlifters. So thank you, Bhoi Weightlifting Association. I've taken the responsibility of organizing this program in collaboration with the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, with the support of Sportability. Like hospitality, we have Vikram Manik here, the director. Thank you so much for being part of this event. And I also express my gratitude to MB Tongper, the director of the Directorate of Mineral Resources of Meghalaya, the technical official all the way from the south, the judges and everyone involved in making this event a success. Well, when I was told by Brother London to be part of this program, for me, since I became an MP, I've been invited to all kinds of programs. And this is one such program which I'm totally new. Well, sports is something that I love, but weightlifting is something which is quite new to me. So I thought let me put my thoughts together and put down in writing so that I would not, waver here and there. So first and foremost, well, like I said, it is indeed an absolute honor and privilege for me to be here, not just to witness this, the great lifters, but also be part of this, program as a chief guest for this. I'm sure it is indeed a remarkable weightlifting competition, and I would say that today is not just a celebration of strength, but of discipline, of determination, of coordination, and the unwavering spirit of our athletes. Now to all the participants, men, women, I also saw some young ones. Each one of you are the heart of this great event. Well, the sport of weightlifting is not merely lifting weights. I believe it's also about lifting your own limits. And we saw today one of the athletes whose body weight was 55 kgs and lifting, I think, 80 kgs. So it's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting our limits, mentally, physically, and even emotionally. So the level of discipline that you as an athlete you follow, the coordination between your mind and your body, the commitment to your training, and the inner strength that you show on this platform, I would say, and all of us would agree, is truly commendable. You all are champions in your own right, regardless of the results. You all are champions. Therefore, I would say, also take this opportunity to say to the organizers, a heartfelt thanks to all organizers who have provided such a platform to lifters to showcase their talent. Well, I would say that events like these are stepping stones. Stepping stones for the future, not just sports in our state, but also to this great nation of ours. To the organizers, your efforts in putting together this competition is not just, I would say, logistical achievement, but a service to the sport spirit of this great nation of ours. And to the parents and spectators, your support, I am telling you, is indeed priceless. Because behind every successful athlete stands a family that believe in their children and believe in their boy. So, to parents, to the guardians, I would say that your encouragement, your sacrifices, and presence today is indeed very, very crucial. You're not simply watching operation, but you are part and parcel in shaping the future of your children and your world. Now, as all of us,
Ricky is for being here, Member of Parliament, sparing a valuable time to witness all these small beginnings at the district level. And we are also very grateful to Mr. Robert Pass, Mr. Yan Yamal, Mr. Vikram Malik, the Sportality team for their total support to promote such weightlifting. And I hope you will also come forward and support other sports as well, so that because our state associations and district need a lot of support. Also, a big thank you to the district administration and our compare director, minerals department. Thank you very much for your hospitality, and we hope you will continue to meet to also support sports in the state. We're going to host national games for the 20 months. It's a very stressful time because we are busy plan how to prepare ourselves for the national games. It is our anxiety and excitement that we'll be able to host the national games. Just like the other states, will be the third state in the Northeast to host national games, with Manipur hosting in 1999, Assam in 2007, and Meghalaya will be in 2027. So we do hope that from this event, there will be some few of the athletes, Bhoi district being one of the very important districts in producing champions. We do hope that they will prepare themselves, hopefully take on the national stage and bring medals for the state, and hopefully one day go to the national level and international level. With these few words, thank you all.
Weightlifting, it's been a while back, I think a year or 2 years back, when Donald first came to me
and he wants something of this kind of event here. I think he did one event last time in and it was a success there. But this is of course on a grander scale. I just urge the organizers and of course the MD. Sir, maybe one day we'll have a center of excellence of weightlifting here. I would urge push for this as we have many athletes, high-performing athletes, especially in weightlifting. For the athletes, the support that we're getting from the government, as well as mentioned, has been exemplary. The way that we've clinched hosting the national games is a testament to the same. And I'm sure this will be life-changing for most athletes. I would urge all of you to take any sport seriously, but especially weightlifting. We are blessed, with the physical traits, especially this part of the country, you can say, or the state, and we should push ourselves and do well. And I remember, saying by Bruce Lee, who said, "I'm not scared of a person who knows 1,000 kicks. I'm scared of a person who knows one kick and he has practiced it 1,000 times." So put your effort, give it all. I think this is an excellent opportunity for weightlifting, especially in Bhoi, and I'm sure in the upcoming national games, medals will come from Bhoi for the weightlifting category. This is all. Thank you. All the best.
Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jongpi, hangne hadukan jongi. Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, hakakamra kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun number. Pra iway lai arnot sau pra sansau. Lane pra lai nyo arnyo sawar drunyo. Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentaki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pranyo laiwei kendai ndru iwei arnyo lai.